Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dolly, your cruise blog, and yes, we are doing it again. My last Dollar Tree haul helped over 1,000 of you cruise smarter, and today I'm back with 16 more cruise saving finds that cost me just $1 and some change. If you're cruising soon, you'll want at least half of these packed in your luggage, so stay tuned. So my family and I love to hang by the deck and at the pool at night. So I did grab these glow sticks for them to wear to easily spot them on the deck. And they do double as fun accessories for theme parties that some ships offer. The next that I did find were some flip-flops. You can grab a cheap pair for the pool because the decks are hot and for spa days. I'm not sure how they will hold up on the ports, but if they get soaked or sandy, it's no big deal. You can rinse and reuse them, or you can toss them when you're done. If you are celebrating an occasion, check out the party section. I found party decor that you can decorate your cabin. In my last cruise, I hung up a happy birthday banner with a couple balloons that gave that festive feel, and my friend really loved it. I did make that mistake and didn't have anything to hang them up with, so I did have to improvise. But I would recommend using magnet hooks that I found so you don't have to worry about making a mess on the walls with tape. Also, check with your cruise line for any restrictions. If you're traveling with multiple people, you want to grab a file folder to keep your documents together for an easy reach in your bag. If you're going to purchase souvenir cups for your drinks on board, consider bringing a permanent marker. The cups, they come in limited designs, so to avoid the confusion or the meltdowns on your trip, you want to bring a marker so that you can label them. I did find these thank you cards. I normally leave a quick handwritten note for our cabin steward and wait staff to thank them for their service. Also, if there are any surveys at the end of your trip, consider doing one. This may help with bonuses, incentives, even move them up in rank. The next item that I have is the phone case holder. This works great to hold your SeaPass or your sign and sail cards. It did its job, but it did leave a sticky residue on my phone case once we removed it, so just be warned. Cabin trash cans are tiny. These little bags, they seal in odors, so they are perfect for dirty diapers, wipes, or even food trash. So my daughter has long braids and my husband has thick locks, and I found these microfiber towels. It helps dry their hair faster after the pool days. So this would avoid that wet shirt stain at dinner. So in the beauty, I picked up some hair oils for my daughter's hairs. These would normally cost me more at my local beauty supply store. This was a steal. I also found this product. It is a sweat protection style saver. It's supposed to protect against chlorine, sweat, and sun damage. And I've used this brand before. My daughter has micro locks and spends a lot of time outside or in the pool, and this caused some damage to her hair color. So I can only hope this product will provide that extra layer of protection. I did find some disposable washcloths. You don't need water to use them. You can take it with you on port days if you need to freshen up. Just take one and toss. I also picked up some hair accessories that will cost me more anywhere else, so that is a major win for the hubby and the girls. So sometimes the air can be dry and I always forget to pack my cough drops. I found these name brands in a small travel size. I also found these electrolyte powders for kids. They also have some for adults. They say they're kid friendly and it is perfect for those just in case. So my last cruise, my sister chipped her nail twice at the pool deck. I did find this nail clipper case and that would have came in handy. So most ships offer coffee, but they come in coffee mugs. So I tend to bring my own to-go mug. So I found these cups that include tops that I don't have to worry about walking across the deck with full hot cup and no top. It has a lid, so it doesn't keep it warm, but it also has a little handle. So try these out. Now I did go into the kitchen aisle and I found these. These would be great for hanging wet swimsuits in the balcony chair to prevent them from flying away. They are also wide enough look how wide they are for you to clip your towels on the deck chair so you don't have to worry about them blowing away as well. So definitely try these out. They come in a pack of 3, so you can't beat this. Now, let me know in the comments which ones you've already used or which you're grabbing for your next cruise trip. And if you haven't watched part 1, don't miss it. I'll link it down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more cruise tips, travel, and real life packing hacks. Until then, happy cruising.